we would like to solve for the variable x. In this equation, all the coefficients and constants are fractions. I personally do not like to add and subtract with fractions because then I need to find a common denominator and it just gets very involved. So there is an approach that we can take. We can multiply each and every term in the equation by a common denominator. So in looking at the denominators, 3, 5, and 15, the common denominator is 15. Therefore, I will multiply each and every single term in the equation by 15. In doing so, you will have integers for your coefficients and constants. 15 times 1/3 is 5x. 15 times 2/5 will be plus 6. And what I'm doing is I'm multiplying. If you need to, take the scrapbook to the side. Take 15 over 1 times 2/5. The 5 and 15 cross cancel, 3 times 2, that's how I got the 6. I will not do this for every single step. I'm just showing you one example, and you can apply it. Equals 4 15ths times 15 will be 4, minus 3/5 times 15 will be 9x, negative 2/3 times 15 will be minus 10. By multiplying by the common denominator, we now see we have integers, much more friendlier to work with. Okay, I'm going to collect like terms. So 4 minus 10 will combine to give me minus 6. Now I will transpose my minus 9x onto the right side of the equation. So I will add 9x to both sides. 5x plus 9x is 14x. Bring down the plus 6 equals negative 9x plus 9x is 0. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Continue solving for x. Plus 6 will be brought over. So opposite of plus 6, I will subtract 6 on both sides. 6 minus 6 is 0, so I'm left with 14x equals negative 6 minus 6 is negative 12. Okay. Once again, I ran out of room, so I will take the last step and just rewrite it here so you can see it more clearly. Okay, so we have negative 14x equals negative 12, 14 times. I will divide both sides by 14. Any number divided by itself is 1, so it's 1x. Negative 12 divided by 14, I'm going to reduce that fraction. It cannot be divided evenly into an integer, so reduce it so it becomes negative 6/7. That is your final answer.
I'll hypnotize you, I'll tantalize you.